You can easily have Google Docs read your text aloud to you without needing any extra extensions. Feel free to leave a like if this helps you out. To begin, open the Tools menu in your Documents top toolbar. Hover over the audio option to reveal the available playback features. Select Listen to this tab to launch the text-to-speech player. An audio player widget will appear at the bottom left of your screen. You can click the pause button whenever you need to take a break. To customize how the reading sounds, open the More Options menu on the widget. Choose Change Voice from the pop-up menu to open the voice selection settings. You can click the Preview button next to different voices to test them out. Pick any voice option from the list that suits your preference. Click Select to apply your new voice choice. Now you know how to use the built-in text reading feature in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.